where we bring you the latest, most exciting updates in the world of cameras, photography gear, and creative tools. Today's spotlight is on a major upcoming release from Fujifilm that's been making waves across the photography community, the official confirmation of the Fujifilm X-E5. This next-generation rangefinder-style mirrorless camera is no longer just a rumor. It's real and launching very soon. Fujifilm has officially dropped a teaser confirming that the highly anticipated X-E5 mirrorless camera will be unveiled in full on June 12, 2025. While the teaser video was short and only gave us a glimpse of the design, it was enough to ignite excitement among Fuji fans and photography enthusiasts around the globe. Combined with credible leaks and insider reports, we now have a strong idea of what to expect, and it's nothing short of impressive. Fujifilm X-E5 Specs Overview, a giant leap forward. One of the most exciting revelations about the Fujifilm X-E5 specs is its upgraded sensor. Trusted sources suggest the X-E5 will be powered by a 40.2 mP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 BSI sensor, a dramatic leap from the X-E4's 26.1 cm sensor. This is the highest resolution ever in the X-E series, positioning the X-E5 as a formidable option for street photography, travel photographers, landscape shooters, and anyone seeking premium image quality in a compact form factor. This new sensor is paired with the X-Processor 5, bringing faster processing, improved noise reduction, better color accuracy, and faster overall camera performance. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or pushing ISO limits in low-light scenes, the X-E5 is expected to deliver incredible results. Color science like never before. Hasselblad. Natural Color Fusion, a groundbreaking addition, is the rumored integration of Hasselblad's natural color solution into the X-E5. That's right, Fujifilm may be collaborating with Hasselblad to merge Fujifilm's signature film simulations with Hasselblad's renowned color science. This means richer tones, more accurate color representation, and artistic image output straight out of the camera. Perfect for professional photographers, Instagram creators, and content artists who prioritize exceptional color. Bit raw. Output unprecedented depth. Another pro-level feature reportedly coming to the Fujifilm X-E5 is 16-bit RAW support, a feature typically reserved for flagship models like the X-T5 and GFX line. This deeper color depth allows for greater dynamic range, better tonal gradation, and enhanced editing flexibility in post-production. This makes the X-E5 not only a travel-friendly compact camera, but also a viable tool for professional workflows. Autofocus and subject tracking upgrades. A true hybrid system autofocus is critical, and Fujifilm seems to be taking things to the next level. The X-E5 is rumored to have a hybrid autofocus system with 294 phase detection points, up from the 117 points on the X-E4. This means almost full frame coverage, allowing the camera to lock focus quickly and accurately no matter where your subject. It's even more exciting is the inclusion of intelligent subject detection. This AI-enhanced system can reportedly recognize and track people, animals, vehicles, and more. Great news for street shooters, wildlife photographers, and sports enthusiasts alike. Built-in IBIS, finally stabilized. One of the biggest criticisms of the X-E4 was the absence of in-body image stabilization, IBIS. That looks set to change with the X-E5. It's rumored to feature a 5-axis IBIS system, offering up to 7 stops of stabilization, giving you the freedom to shoot handheld in low light or use slower shutter speeds without compromising sharpness. Whether you're capturing handheld portraits or recording on-the-go video footage, this new IBIS system adds a serious layer of versatility and reliability. Burst shooting and shutter speed. Built for action. If you shoot action or fast-paced scenes, the X-E5 may offer some impressive specs. According to leaks, it will support 20 FPS continuous shooting with the electronic shutter and 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter. This makes the X-E5 a legitimate competitor in the sports and wildlife photography segments, previously dominated by higher-end bodies. Video recording. Features. A creative powerhouse, the Fujifilm X-E5 isn't just a photography machine. It's shaping up to be a serious contender in the videography world as well. The camera is rumored to support 4K video recording at 60 FPS, along with Full HD 1080p at 240 FPS, enabling buttery smooth slow-motion footage. For creators and filmmakers, the inclusion of F-Log recording expands dynamic range and offers greater flexibility in color grading. Combine this with Fujifilm's signature film simulations, and you're looking at cinematic results without even opening your editing software. Body design, durability, and build quality staying true to its rangefinder roots, the X-E5 keeps that. Classic retro look, now with a more rugged, professional-grade twist. Reports say it will come with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, a first for the X-E series, offering durability without compromising style. While it's a bit heavier at 450g versus the X-E4's 364g, that added weight brings serious functional upgrades. Modern connectivity for creators. Today's creatives need their cameras to connect effortlessly, and Fujifilm seems to be delivering on that front. The X-E5 is expected to feature Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a USB-C port for fast charging and data transfer. An HDMI port is also likely included, enabling external monitor support and live streaming capabilities perfect for content creators and YouTubers on the go. Dual SD card slots, workflow friendly. For the first time in the X-E series, the X-E5 may feature dual UHS-2 SD card slots, allowing for simultaneous backup, media separation, or overflow recording. This is a huge win for professionals who need redundancy and speed in their shooting workflow. Price and market positioning. Value that makes sense. Despite all these premium upgrades, the Fujifilm X-E5 is rumored to land in the $999 to $1,199 price range, which is a modest jump from the X-E4's $850. Given its leap in sensor quality, stabilization, video capabilities, and rugged build, this price point is extremely competitive, especially when compared to rivals like the Sony a6700, Canon EOS AO-R50, and Nikon ZFC. Final thoughts. Is the Fujifilm X-E5 worth the hype? All signs point to yes. The Fujifilm X-E5 looks to be a mirrorless game-changer in the sub-$100 or $200 market. With a high-resolution sensor, Hasselblad color science, advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, pro-grade video features, and dual card slots, this camera ticks all the boxes for photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators alike. Whether you're a longtime Fuji fan or switching from another brand, the X-E5 might be the ultimate compact creative tool in 2025. It balances performance, portability, and price in a way that few others do.